In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zapier account. This will enable you to streamline your workflows and automate tasks across various apps, boosting your productivity significantly. Let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zapier login page. This is the go-to place for both new and returning users. Upon reaching the page, you should see a clear sign-up option. Click on it to start the account creation process. This step is important as it takes you directly to the sign-up page where you'll provide your details. Now, you'll need to enter your email. Select the email address you use most frequently to ensure that you receive important notifications and updates from Zapier. Once you've entered your email, the next step is to fill in your first name. This is part of the profile setup, which personalizes your account. Similarly, enter your last name in the corresponding field to complete this section of your profile information. After filling out these initial details, you should see a button labeled Get Started for Free. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. This confirms your willingness to create an account and gives you access to Zapier's initial features without any immediate charges. Next, it's time to create a password. Ensure you follow the guidelines provided on this page to create a strong and secure password. A strong password should ideally include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once your password is set, click again on Get Started for Free to finalize your registration process. At this stage, you'll be prompted to fill out additional details. This might include your role or how you plan to use Zapier. Providing this information helps Zapier tailor the experience to better suit your needs. However, some of these questions might not apply to you, and that's perfectly okay. You have the option to skip any questions that you feel are not relevant, and there you have it. You're all set. You've successfully created a Zapier account. You can now explore the various automations available and start customizing them to sync with the apps you use most. This will vastly simplify your everyday tasks, saving you precious time and energy. Thank you for watching, and happy automating with Zapier.